Hey guys, it's your girl Bella. How are you? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free copy of your credit report. Now, yes, it's absolutely free. Now, under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you as a consumer are entitled to one free copy of your credit report every year from all three bureaus. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps to walk through to get your free copy today. Now, just one small thing I want to mention, these reports will not have your credit scores, but some of the bureaus will allow you to get a copy of the scores at a small nominal charge. All right, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so here's a website where you can get a free credit report from all three bureaus. The website is called annualcreditreport.com. Then you kind of click here on the bottom below where it says request your free credit reports. Now, as you can see, there are 3 steps you have to walk through before you can get your credit report. You have to first fill out a form. Then you select the reports that you want, and then before you actually can get the copies of the reports, they will ask you a few security questions. They are normally multiple choice, and they're based on things that are on your credit report. So they'll have things like, what is a car that you've purchased, and they'll have like 4 or 5 options. You'll select the one that actually matches the car you've purchased, or it may say something like a previous employer, or an address where you've lived before, and you'll have to select the right option out of the multiple choice things listed in order to get your free credit report. Now, you will have to do the security questions for each credit report, as you can see here, that is mentioned below. So I'll kind of walk you through the steps. Now, here you can see you have to fill out the form. It asks you for your name, date of birth, your social security number, your current address, and then if you have not lived there for more than 2 years, it will also prompt you to list your previous address. And now we'll jump into the next step. Now, as you can see here, you can request 1 or all 3 of the reports. As I've mentioned in one of my earlier videos, if you are now trying to fix your credit, you may want to spread this out over a period of time so you can get a free credit report to get an update on how you're doing on your credit repair. So for example, you can request TransUnion today, then fast forward 4 months, then you can request your Equifax report. Then fast forward 4 more months, then you can get your Experian. So that way you can get a free copy of your credit report throughout the year, because as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can get 1 copy from each credit report, from each credit bureau every 12 months. So for here, I'm going to just select TransUnion. Now, as you can see here, it mentions that you do have to go through and complete the identity verification process. And then if you are unable to complete the process online, you can obtain your free credit report by calling into their call center or sending your request in by mail. Alright guys, so that is how you can get a free copy of your credit report from all 3 bureaus. Now, if you have any questions for me, make sure to leave them in that caption box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Bye.